What's up, you guys? My name is Amber. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be taking a look at some goodies from KushLips. KushLips is a new brand that is going to be launching this spring that has all natural, primarily hemp-based products, more specifically lip care products, in order to fight chapped lips and dark spots that you get when you have chapped lips, or if you happen to smoke or drink or be dehydrated a lot. They definitely lean into the whole hemp theme with the brand. So today I have a few goodies to unbox and showcase for you guys, as well as a little bit of a giveaway. So go ahead and stay tuned to the very end of the video to find out what I will be giving away and how to enter. But with all of that being said, let's go ahead and actually open up the box. It is branded all around the outside, super cute. And then you pop it open to have some more branding and all the little, you know, PR informational tidbits. And then we have a little cute red tissue paper on the inside. Now, I did actually take a peek at the package when I first received it just to make sure everything was okay, and it was a little bit messed up in shipping. Nothing was damaged or anything like that. There was just a little bit of oil leakage from one of the products, so I cleaned everything up, so now it's how it should have looked from the beginning. But first off, we have my little PR card. And then it has the KushLips business card, as well as the High Maintenance business card, because High Maintenance is an Etsy shop. You can actually look it up on the back side of this. High Maintenance too is an Etsy shop that has a lot of different, you know, paraphernalia, accessories and stuff like that, and the owner has decided to branch into the all-natural skincare. So KushLips is a line that is being released through High Maintenance, if I'm not mistaken. I will have everything linked down below so y'all can check it out if you're interested. So it says, "Welcome to KushLips. Thank you once again for choosing to be an ambassador for my brand. Enclosed is all of the details, promo cards, instructions, and how-to on our products. Remember, this product is still in its making stages, so based on your critique, certain items may be omitted or changed based on popular demand. Included is your lip bar, lip oil, lip scrub, lip balm, and a sample kit. All products are 100% vegan and hemp-based. All products are made with raw sugar, vitamin E, rose oil, rose water, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, and hemp oil. The balm is made of soya wax instead of beeswax, and the lip bar is made of sugar, hemp, soap, and essential oils. It is an entirely vegan lip care brand, and they are cruelty-free, because your girl only uses cruelty-free products, and vegan are always a bonus." So then we will throwing shit around, we will check out the little promotional. "Benefits of sugar scrub: brightens dull skin, fights against skin aging, granulates, help exfoliate and cleanse while opening pores. Benefits of rose oil: it hydrates, exfoliates, reduces scars and spots, lightens skin, reduces inflammation and sun damage. How to use the cubes: break in half, wet that half, rub on lips in circular motions, rinse and store the other half in a dry place. Benefits of grapeseed: it helps with elasticity, acne, vitamin E, reduces UV damage, scars, lightens skin, and tightens pores." And what they mean by like lighten skin, not in like a controversial, like it's intended for the dark spots on your lips from when they get dehydrated or super chapped. If you've ever noticed, like the inner line will start to darken and get discolored. And then go into the actual products. We have a whole bunch of goodies. Dropping stuff. So much for me trying to get a thumbnail. It comes with a couple of little sticks to be able to apply your products and get them out of the packaging, is what I assume these are for. So first up, we have the lip bar, very cutely in the shape of actual lips. And this, I believe, is meant for exfoliation. So this is what like those instructions were for. You break off a piece, you rub and exfoliate in circular motions on your lips, and it helps get the dead skin off and moisturizes your lips. And then we have what I believe is the lip scrub, which is a sugar-based scrub. I love this bright pink color. And that is what the, oh fuck. This is actually what I believe is the culprit of what leaked in the package itself. I've already talked to the owner about it, so I'm going to suggest having this in maybe a bag or something when it gets shipped. Because like she said, this is, you know, kind of first trial, letting all of the brand ambassadors give their opinions and stuff like that. And obviously, natural separation definitely occurs with all natural products. Like, that's no issue. Literally just take one of the little sticks and mix it up and you're good to go. But yeah, so this looks like it is a sugar-based scrub. So again, similarly to the lip bar, you use this to exfoliate the dead skin off of your lips. Then we have the lip balm. This is in a little bit of a different package. So you go ahead and open that up. And you have the balm inside with some little glitter accents. And again, a very cute color. I'm loving the like pink aesthetic of all of the products because your girl's just a sucker for cute shit. And even like the bright pink and green logo, all very, very fun. And then we have our lip oil, which is in this little package. And this, I believe, has this is rose oil, I believe, based, and so like that's what the floaties are inside, are rose petals, and then it's got a couple little of the hemp glitter chunks. So you open that up and that is just like a roller ball to be able to apply. And so effectively this is just an entire lip care treatment, one that I do think I will actually do a separate video showcasing because I definitely have a huge issue with chapped lips and very, very few products actually do anything to help. So if these guys work for my lips, you know it's fucking good. But those are all of the products for myself, at least. But then we have the sample box, which is actually going to be what I am giving away today in this video. So I will showcase what is in this little guy and stay tuned to the very end to figure out how you can enter. So the little sample box in its branded little box, and then you pop it open. The inside does have some instructions. It also has a little bit of discoloration on it because like I said, this guy decided to be a little bitch and leak over a couple of things. Again, no big deal. I've cleaned up all of the individual items. This is just a stain on the cardboard, which, you know, isn't important, so it's fine. Then we have a little mini version of the lip bar. This one in the shape of a hemp leaf. We have a little mini version of the lip scrub. This one is green instead of pink. And this fucking packaging, like, I'm a little jealous that I'm not personally keeping the sample kit, words, I can talk sometimes, simply because these little, like, lip-shaped containers are so cute. So there's that. And then last in the sample box, we have a mini version of the lip balm. This is, you know, the same balm that I have, the same pink and all that jazz, and the same cute little lip-shaped packaging. So we have all of those little goodies in the sample box, which is available to be won by any of you guys. So in order to enter to win the sample box, you must be subscribed to my channel. Go ahead and blow up this video with some love, leave it some likes, some shares. definitely a must is to leave a comment down below letting me know a way that I can get a hold of you, whether it be email or an Instagram account. In the past with my giveaways, I have generally required just email addresses, and then people like to be like, I'm not giving it to you, here's my Instagram instead. And I'm like, you didn't follow the directions. So now we're just gonna be including Instagram usernames as well. So that is one way to enter. You must be subscribed to me and leave me a comment down below letting me know how I can letting me know how I can contact you. Just be like, hi, I want to win, here's my email. Or like, yo, what up? My Instagram is this. Just leave me a comment down below. If you would like a bonus chance at entering, you can also follow my Instagram at whatislove-is-the-weapon, and be sure to leave your Instagram username in the description below as well. Whether you want that to be your primary contact doesn't matter. You can also include an email. I just need to see your Instagram username so I can verify that you are actually following me. And you still have to be subscribed to my channel as well. I will be picking a winner from one of the comments down below. As of filming this, I haven't decided what exact date I want to end the giveaway on, but it is active and live as soon as this video goes out. And I will put on the screen right now the date that I am ending the giveaway on. For all of the full official legal bullshit rules, you can go ahead and check out the description below. And if you do happen to win, you must respond to my email within 72 hours. Otherwise, your prize will be forfeit and I will pick a new winner. Also, in order to enter, you must be 18 years old or older due to legal reasons. And you also must be a resident of the United States. I'm so sorry to any of my minor fans or my international fans. It's literally giveaway law. Like, anybody who hosts international giveaways aren't doing it legally. And if you have any interest in checking out KushLips, I will leave all of their information down below. I should mention, my bad, I am an ambassador for the brand. So I did receive this package as part of the ambassador kit in order to test out and showcase on my social medias. This video was not monetarily sponsored, however, but I would like to say a huge thank you to KushLips and High Maintenance for letting me be a part of your launch and for sending over the products, and a huge thank you to you guys for watching. I had a blast hanging out with y'all. Peace.